Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2, History. Chapter 3, Maratha Sardar, the Famous House of Bhosles, Part 1. Good day, students. In the previous lesson, we have studied about various saints of Maharashtra and their teachings. In this chapter, I will put a light on our brave Maratha Sardars. Dear students, I will explain you this lesson in two parts. Today, we are going to study about the Maratha Sardars of Maharashtra who were working in the kingdom of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Among all the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul were very brave. The period of unrest. Students, here the meaning of unrest is the period of dissatisfaction. The saints preached devotion to God to the people living in Maharashtra, but at the same time, the brave Maratha Sardar started showing their bravery. The Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were constantly fighting among themselves, and they involved the armies of Maratha Sardar in their war. This created the period of unrest in Maharashtra. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars were brave, means ready to face any danger situation, tough, which means strong, fearless, which means they were not scared of anyone, and also were loyal to their masters, which means they were honest. All the Maratha Sardar had their own private armies, and their armies was used by the two sultans, for the sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred upon him Jagir. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. Famous Sardar at the court of Bijapur and Ahmednagar were Jadhavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar of Palthan, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Jewali, and Bhosles of Verul. There were many famous Maratha Sardar at the court of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, but the more famous among them were these five Sardars. Shivaji's mother Jizabai was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Tradition of valor. Children, here the meaning of valor means a great courage in the face of danger, especially in battlefield. The Sardars were enemy of each other. They always kept on fighting with each other. They never thought that we are so brave and we have tough army with us, and instead we should come together and fight against the Sultan and defeat them. The Sardars never thought of doing something good for their own people. Their great courage in battle and bravery was served in the interest of Sultan. While doing this, one good thing was done by these Sardars, which was they created a warlike spirit among the young. The young Marathas were ready to give up their life in the battle. Among the famous families of the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery. The Temple of Grushneshwar. The Temple of Grushneshwar is located at Aurangabad in the state of Maharashtra. It was about 400 years ago. The Temple of Grushneshwar was falling into pieces and had developed cracks in the wall. The priest who was looking after the temple also ran away due to the bad condition of the temple. It was neglected by the devotee and felt sorry looking at the bad condition of the temple, and no one thought of repairing it. But one day, a great devotee of Shiva who visited the temple regularly to put flowers and a bale on the lingam saw the bad condition of the temple and thought of repairing the temple and bring it back to its original condition. Now there were light both inside and outside the temple. Who was this great devotee who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Thank you.